Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Today let's talk about camcorders. In a traditional sense, they're a bit more rare today. Their functionality has been built into everything, from high-end DSLRs and mirrorless cameras to phones, leaving most users with a little need to own a dedicated video camera. Nevertheless, there's something about having a device that's created just to execute one purpose, especially for devoted creators. In this video, we're going to break down the 7 best camcorders on the market, based on price, performance, durability, and more. We're taking a look at products in all price ranges, so whether you want the best value or the best one in general, we have the best one for you. So stay tuned and check out all the products. Be sure to not miss a thing. Starting off this list, we have the Sony FDR Ax43. Capture the ultra-smooth video on the go with this handycam from Sony. This compact camcorder features a built-in gimbal with balanced optical steady-shot image stabilization and low-light XMOR-R CMOS image sensor to produce crisp, high-quality Ultra HD 4K video or 16.6 MP still videos. You can record videos up to UHD 4K at 24 or 30 FPS, using Sony's JVC S codec at rates up to 100 mbs. Its fast, intelligent autofocus tracks your subjects while keeping them sharp. And the EvariogzRY980 T-Zoom lens from Zeiss features a 20x optical and a 30x digital zoom in 4K. The dual video mode enables you to simultaneously record MP4 movies and faster by uploading your network to the web. It also allows the use of highlight movie makers, a one-button function that creates a highlight reel of your footage, so you can quickly play back an event. Sony further offers a 4K time-lapse. This is for condensing your adventures, or capture stunning nature or atmospheric sequences. Next, we got the Sony FDR Ax700. 4K and HDR are now available in an easy-to-use camcorder setup with the Sony FDR Ax700 camcorder. Using the HLG format, HDR images, they can also be recorded and processed from playback on HDR screens with this handycam. Compared to SDR formats, HDR offers increased color and contrast representation that's noticeable right away. Dual SD card slots, an LCD and viewfinder, manual controls, and a 12x zoom range, and a comfortable form factor make the Ax700 an all-around camera for anything from family events to professional filmmaking and videography. You can also enjoy creative ways to express time's passage. The super slow motion and slow and quick motion lets you capture the motion in the blink of an eye, at up to 960 FPS in NTSC or 1000 FPS in PAL, or in compelling time-lapse sequences captured at 1 FPS for playback up to 60 times the natural speed. Further, for more advanced users, Sony includes the S-Log2 and the S-Log3 picture profiles that go alongside the S-Gamut color space. Enabling this functionality grants you more excellent control over the final image through post-production processing. Moving forward, we have the Canon Vixia HF-R80. With its 16 GB of internal memory, this camcorder is ready to record 1080p Full HD footage right out the box. Whether recording home videos, events, or recitals, the 57x advanced zoom ensures you can get the shot from even the back rows of the auditorium, and the super range optical image stabilization keeps the image steady at longer focal lengths. HD videos are recorded to the internal memory or separately available SD cards in the MP4 format for smooth playback on most devices. MP4 files are also highly compatible with video hosting services and social media websites without format conversion. HF-R80 also features backlight correction within the highlight priority mode for brighter images. The backlight correction analyzes the incoming video signal and recognizes your subject within the frame, and will expose for the subject, rather than an overexposed backlit background. This way, if the sun's behind your item, you can still get a vibrant image. Up next, we got the JVC EvariogzRY980. This records up to 4K video in the format of 70 MBS and HD at bit rates up to 28 MBS to dual media card slots, designed with JVC's rugged quad-proof camera bodies. This guy here is built to capture adventures, no matter the weather. This sturdy camcorder is waterproof up to 16 feet, shockproof from falling up to 5 feet, and dustproof as well as freeze-proof down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera's back illuminated 18.9 MP CMOS sensor has a Falcon Brid image processor and 8 MP stills that can be pulled directly from the 4K video. The GT lens features a 10x optical zoom in 4K and 18x dynamic zoom when shooting HD format. Furthermore, the advanced image stabilization reduces camera shake while hand-holding the camera. You can also view while recording on playback footage on its 3-inch touchscreen LCD. Additional camera features include a rechargeable internal battery lasting up to 5 hours, a built-in zoom microphone, and a 46mm filter thread. Next product on this list is the Sony HDRCX405. This handycam features an Exmor R CMOS sensor and a wide-angle car Zeiss zoom lens with 30x the optical zoom. It captures full HD video at 60p and 9.2 MP still images. The Exmor R CMOS sensor is designed for increased sensitivity in low-light situations, and the optical steady-shot image stabilization with intelligent active mode for smooth video delivery. You can monitor and playback footage by its 2.7-inch LCD and change settings to represent the scene best. The camera records using XAVCS codec and also features dual recording, which lets you simultaneously capture both high-quality AVC HD and web-optimized MP4 files. Furthermore, the high-speed built-in USB 2.0 cable provides a connection to your computer for charging or file transfer and fits conveniently in the hand strap, so it's out the way until it's needed. This camera also accepts a rechargeable X-type battery pack for power. Up next, we have the Canon Vixia HF G21. This camcorder captures full HD video using a 2.9 MP HD CMOS Pro image sensor and a 20x optical zoom lens. The G21's impressive low-light performance and ample dynamic range helps reproduce image gradations that open up shadowed areas and minimize overblown highlighted fields. Pro-style features of this camcorder include a circular 8-blade aperture for producing smooth rounded highlights in and out of focus areas, or otherwise known as bokeh. This versatile video camera records crisp detailed images with full HD recording in both MP4 and AVCHD file formats. You can share your footage at a maximum bitrate of 35 MBS in MP4 and 28 MBS in AVC HD. Also, for you cinephiles out there, a native 24p mode additionally provides a film-like capture rate. You can further create a slow motion effect or speed up your footage with its various frame rates, which includes recording from 2x to 1200 times the speed. And finally, we have the Sony FDR X3000. Incorporating optical image stabilization and 4K recording, Sony's FDR X3000 action camera produces sharp videos and still images with reduced motion artifacts from vibrations and other camera movements. Its ultra-wide angle lens opens up versatile vibrations and other camera movements. Its ultra-wide angle lens also opens up framing options for recording your adventures. The included underwater housing is watertight to 197 feet, letting you plumb aquatic depths right out the box. It's great for dramatic portrayal of action scenes in 1080p and 720p resolutions. The FDR X3000 is capable of recording high frame rate videos. Full HD 1080p videos can be recorded up to 120 FPS, which offers a quarter-speed playback at a smooth 30 FPS. You can also step down to 720p resolution for 240 FPS recording, for recorder speed playback at 60 FPS, or 1/8 of a speed playback at 30 FPS. Furthermore, with the Play Memories mobile app, you can remotely control up to 5 of these action cams from a single mobile device. The app also allows you to view a live feed from the camera and a multi-view feature, which means you can see up to 5 cameras at once, or just select one view in full screen. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.